Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, and this is how to make drawn butter. So what you need is a little pot. You need a stick of butter depending upon how much you want to make. One stick's going to be fine for me. I'm just making drawn butter for this snow crab. You can add seasoning if you choose to do so. I would typically do fresh garlic, but I'm out of fresh garlic right now, so I'm just going to add some garlic powder. Again, season it to taste. And then I'm going to add some other things here. Hold on just a second. Let me get that butter off my fingers. Add a little bit of sea salt. A little bit of sea salt and a little bit of fresh ground black pepper. And now we're going to bring that to a boil. And we're going to stir it while it does its thing here. Give me a little stirring spoon in here, because you want to distribute the garlic and the salt and the pepper. Yeah, this is amazing, not only for snow crab, but you got Atlantic red crab, pretty much any kind of seafood. You can dip shrimp in drawn butter. You can do a variety of things. I mean, that's completely up to you. It doesn't take long because all you're doing is melting it. And you don't have to add any seasoning to it. I mean, you could just melt the butter if you wanted to and not add any garlic or anything. But I think garlic's what really sets it off, man. Reduce that heat a little bit. We don't want to burn it. And see, it's going right, turning into what you're used to eating on snow crab and other type of seafood. I mean, there's really no trick to how to make drawn butter. I mean, it's, and again, you don't have to add any seasoning. You could add garlic only. You could add fresh garlic. You could add onion. You could add freshly chopped garlic clove and freshly chopped onion. That would probably be optimal. You typically don't want this to be too seasoned because you don't want to ruin the flavor of your seafood. Because ultimately you're going to be eating fresh seafood, dipping it in this drawn butter. So yeah, so see how easy that is, man? No camera tricks here. I mean, I did it step by step. Now what a lot of people are going to do, they're going to skim off the little milky type colored part on the top. Some people don't. I personally don't care. I mean, I'm not here I mean, I'm just eating this myself. So there's no need for, so what I can do now is turn this off and then I can just keep it, I can put it somewhere where it'll stay warm while my snow crab finishes cooking. So see, there it is. That's how to make drawn butter. And again, you could get a spoon and lift off that white part if you wanted to, or if it doesn't bother you, you can just leave it there. Hope this video helped. Be sure to subscribe and ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video, and check out all of Chef IrixGuy's cooking videos. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.